did put down some of my previous surgeries, and this is I'd like to share a little bit with you about the emotional part of this as well. So I've had my right hip replaced in 2019. I had a left knee meniscectomy in 2018. I had a cervical fusion of 4 levels in 2011 following breaking my neck pole vaulting. And I had a left ankle reconstruction from a fibular fracture and also basically a severe sprain of the left ankle, also from pole vaulting. So pole vaulting has been sort of my greatest joy and also probably one of my greatest nemesis. So anyway, those are some of the surgeries, and I want you to appreciate the emotional aspect of this and tell you a little bit about my journey, because I think if we understand this in ourselves, it's much easier for us to have the compassion and the empathy for our patients.